Hey everybody!
Hello!
Happy first day of fall.
Yes, it's finally here!
Yes, I was wishing it was feeling more like fall today.
At least it's like 70 degrees right now, the sun's going down.
Yeah,
so
it could be worse.
better.
Yeah, it could be worse. But we're just gonna hang out at home today, cook outside, give you a travel update about what's going on with us.
Travel update!
Yeah, and eat some yummy dessert.
Dessert?
Yeah.
You cooking dinner too?
I'm cooking, I'm not making dessert, I said eat dessert.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What are you cooking for dinner?
We're gonna make some Rocky Top chicken, which is actually something that is available at Longhorn. It's one of our, we worked at Longhorn together, those of you who don't know. And it's one of my favorite menu items. It's basically chicken breasts with some barbecue sauce, some bacon, some cheese. I'm gonna cook it on the Blackstone. We're gonna hang out outside. And yeah, just come along with us.
I'll make a fire for you guys too.
First fire of fall.
Yes! Alright guys, come hang out with us.
Let's do it.
We are Kim and Erin, and this is Zach and Cody. We are best friends living and traveling full-time in our renovated RV, Lucy. We have been on the road since October 2020, so please subscribe to join in on all the fun.
RVTV, K&E RVTV, sing it with us.
Oh, hi. I was just trying to get you to look at me. Cody's laying down all nicely in his dog bed. Zach's just being Zach.
Just wandering.
It's actually gorgeous night here tonight in the Great Smoky Mountains.
This morning it was kind of cloudy and a little ugly looking, but it's really turned out very nice.
Very nice. I about to light my fire up. It's fall, y'all. All the leaves are falling. My fire's going pretty strong.
That's why they call it fall, right?
Fall, because the leaves fall. How you doing over here, ma'am?
Good. I'm just getting my bacon cooked up for our Rocky Top chicken, and then I'm gonna cook the chicken right on here with that bacon grease, you know.
Ooh,
I love bacon grease. What does grease equal, Kim?
Flavor.
I taught you well.
We're going to Flavor Town tonight.
I hope so.
Me too. Me too. I gotta put my flag up.
Oh yes!
Who's Zachary wants to play? Get that ball. Get it. Get it. Get it. Okay. Wait. Go get it. Oh! We just found this ball, so we're letting him play with it. He's gonna pop it. Oh! Don't go to fire. Wait. Ready? Wait!
Oh shoot!
It's so crazy. Oh, we got it. Oh, Cody wants to play now too. Oh, you killed it! Yay!
You gonna get it, Code?
He's like, I don't want these leftovers.
You gonna get it, Code?
Get him.
Yeah, trip each other.
Get that toy. Get it. Oh, careful, old man. Oh my God. He's got old man hips. They don't work so well. Look what I got, y'all.
Kim got her dolphin flag.
I wanted this for my birthday thanks to our friends Darren and Blake. They got it for me.
It's so cute.
I love it.
We love it. It's so cute. We're gonna hang it on the new flagpole.
Welcome to our home. And I've gotten all your guys' comments about the Dolphins game last week and the amazing ending that we had against the Ravens. Loved it. This week versus the Bills. I'm not sure it's gonna be the same, but I'm hoping. Okay, so we're taking this welcome one off and we have our welcome fall one. Yay! So now we got welcome fall and the Dolphins!
Woo!
Yay!
We're all hooked up now.
Football season's the start of fall anyway.
Exactly.
So we got our Miami Dolphins flag on our football stand. And the welcome fall is over there underneath the solar light. But yeah, the little things that make you excited as an adult. We're getting a pretty sky here tonight for the sunset. Not too shabby.
I'll take it.
Right? We get some pretty nice sunsets here.
Very nice.
I can't wait till the sunsets we're about to get soon. Stay tuned. I got your cooking coals ready.
They are perfect.
Look at this. Erin's gonna cook on here. What are you cooking in here?
I'm gonna tell you what I did in a moment, but I'm gonna throw some corn on the cob and some baked potatoes on here.
Ooh. Corn and potatoes.
Okay, so we wanted baked potatoes, but I don't have time. You know, we don't want to wait 40 minutes to put them in the fire. So I took 2 Idaho potatoes, cleaned them. I stabbed them with a fork a good amount of times. Put them in the microwave for 8 minutes, I'm sorry. And the reason I stab them is so your potatoes don't explode because there's moisture in there. And then I coated them in some avocado oil and salt, and then wrapped them in foil. And now I put this on the grill to kind of finish up the skin. It's really to kind of help the skin get crispy like it would if it was in the fire for a while. And then the corn, I just got 2 corns. I boiled them in some milk, water, and butter for a little bit, just so they're pretty much tender. And then we're gonna do the same thing. I put these in foil on the fire for a little bit, just to kind of make sure they're finished cooking. And then I think I'm gonna wrap them and put them in the flames for a little bit, just to get a nice char on them, because I love that. And I'm gonna start cooking my chicken pretty soon.
Anybody jealous out there? I would be. I'm so excited. Leave a comment, let us know. Alright, Erin's still on the chicken.
Yeah, I just got some chicken breasts that I just marinated in some Italian dressing for, it's probably been about an hour maybe.
Well, you pounded the chicken, right?
Yes, anytime I get chicken breasts, I always pound them out a little bit with a meat mallet, a meat hammer, or whatever you want to call it, just because it'll help, because especially lately I haven't found good quality chicken that wasn't an arm and a leg for price, so pounding your chicken can really make a difference, especially using breasts.
Yeah.
I always do.
Makes it so much more tender.
Yeah.
There's like a little chill in the air.
It's starting to feel good.
It's 67. Woo!
It's starting to feel good. Oh, and Kim just looked up the weather.
Yes.
Tomorrow morning, the low is like 40, what?
48.
48.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
So I'm like, we have to get up in the morning and do something.
Alright, so the sun has gone down a little bit.
We need light. And we actually have this shepherd's hook. This whole reason we purchased it is for the lantern when I'm cooking over like a grill or something.
Yeah.
Like Kim was like, why don't we move your table over here to Blackstone and put it and hang the lantern here, and it's literally perfect.
Now you got light.
And I'm like, well, and I guess, you know, I can tolerate this view out here. I guess,
It's not so bad.
Twist my arm, I'll do it, but it's perfect.
Yep. Okay.
All right, my chicken is done. I'm putting down some barbecue sauce right on top.
The best Sweet Baby Ray's.
Yes, we got the brown sugar bourbon. You want a generous amount. And I still have the chicken on the grill. I turn it down. I got it as low as I want it. And then we're gonna put down some bacon strips right on top.
Crispy bacon.
And then some cheddar cheese on top of that.
Put that all nice and melty on there. Me. Who's hungry?
Me!
Yes.
Who's surprised?
Should I check the corn?
I just did.
Oh, okay.
I did take it out of the foil and put it right on the grill.
Ooh.
So you're aware of that. Now I didn't put these close enough together.
You can put the cover
for my
on?
little cover.
Alright. Cover that and let that cheese melt. Oh, it smells like popcorn.
Yes, I took out the foil and I'm just letting it brown up.
Ooh.
Yummy, yummy.
Yes.
Potatoes probably are done, so I just moved them to the side where it's not very hot.
Alright, y'all.
We're very close.
We'll see you inside.
Woo!
So we decided to eat outside.
Yeah, it's cool enough that we're going to use the projector tonight to watch Big Brother.
There's no bugs.
Yeah. I can't believe there aren't any bugs.
The fire's going strong.
And dinner looks amazing.
This dinner looks, sorry, I'm trying to use light. So that's chicken with barbecue sauce, bacon, melted cheese. Erin's got tomatoes on hers.
And some extra cheese on top.
And yeah, baked
baked potato.
and corn. Big Brother's on. Who's gonna win, everyone? Leave it in the comments. We want to know who everyone thinks is gonna win if you watch Big Brother.
I am
Team
Turner.
Team Turner.
But I'd honestly just be happy with anyone but Brittany at this point.
True.
I'd honestly be happy with everyone, but I've been rooting for Turner since the beginning, so hope he stays tonight.
Turner or Taylor?
Yes.
Yeah, Taylor's probably.
Love her.
I think she's gonna win.
Love her.
I think she's gonna win.
And it was horrible
This
how
food-
they treated her at the beginning of the season, so if she won, that would be the best karma.
This food was absolutely delicious. delicious.
These baked potatoes were ginormous. I didn't realize it.
Yeah, I'm like so full. I gave some to Cody.
But the corn, oh my god, the corn came out perfect.
Yes, the corn finished on the fire like
So
you
good.
did.
It was sweet, almost
amazing.
like dessert. Like it was really, really good.
High five, Erin. Thanks for dinner.
You're welcome.
All right, y'all. Back to Big Brother land. So it got a little chilly out. I put a sweater on and we put the boys' sweaters on.
It's so cute.
We just got these for them.
It's so cute.
In preparation for winter. Hint, hint to our travel plans. Nobody can see your face.
Oh, I'm winking.
But yeah, do you want to tell them?
I'm so cute. Right now?
Why not?
Okay. So we actually are going to be here until October, the first week of October, and then we're heading to Florida for about a month, maybe a little less. We're not exactly sure on that date yet, but we're in Florida for 2 weeks, and then we're gonna come back to Tennessee, and we're gonna stay here for the winter.
Through the whole winter.
Our first time in the RV, so we're gonna bring you along with that because that experience, because it's gonna be our first real winter in the RV.
Yeah, we're only
So-
going back to Florida because we have some family
Yeah, we
events.
have weddings and birthdays and a lot of things happening in October.
So we're
we
like-
decided we'll just go down, we'll drive down with the dogs and just be there for that time. But we'll be back here in November and stay for the entire winter.
So we're gonna be here in the Smokies, everybody.
So tell us what you want to see.
In the snow, in the RV. Oh my God, are we crazy?
I don't know, maybe we are. But
We're
it's an
gonna learn a lot,
experience.
and
Yeah,
we're
we're
gonna
gonna learn a ton.
teach y'all.
We're gonna take y'all along with us. So thank you so much for hanging out with us this long.
I can't wait to
But
see this
yeah.
place covered in snow.
Yeah, give us your suggestions for winter things to do. You know, the holiday stuff. We're gonna be here for the holidays. So besides Halloween. So let us know what you think we should do, what you want to see, and we're gonna be here.
So yeah. Cody, you ready for snow?
I know they
You never
haven't
experienced snow.
So that'll be exciting for them too. Oh man,
Yeah.
that's why we had to get the sweaters.
All right.
So and it was cool enough tonight that we put them on so we could show you.
Yeah, I hope y'all are excited.
We're very excited and nervous, but excited.
Erin, we're making a fire as we're watching Alone.
Yes, another one of our favorite reality television shows.
Uh-huh.
It's really cool. If you don't know about it, look it up because it's pretty
Those
cool.
people literally are like alone out in the wilderness.
And they film their own stuff. They don't have like a filming crew with them. They're literally alone.
Alone. But yeah, our fire's still going. I keep hunting for sticks.
Yeah, this is just all
And-
foraging. This is all foraging what that's left here.
But we're having a great night.
We're loving it. I'm so excited for the winter here. I think we're really gonna be able to take advantage of the projector and being outside. And I'm so excited.
This projector is awesome. I love it.
Yeah, it was a happy birthday. Good birthday purchase for sure.
Yes, and we're just out here looking up at the stars. It is a beautiful night here. What's the temperature?
Oh, I think it was 61 last time we looked.
Chilly.
Yeah, for us Florida girls, it's chilly. I got my jacket on. The boys still have their sweaters on. Zachary's relaxing over there.
They're
If you can
cute.
see him.
They're laying down being good boys.
Yeah.
Well, we're having a great night. Thank y'all for hanging out with us.
We still got dessert.
What's for dessert?
We're gonna have some caramel apples. I did not make them myself. I bought them in the produce department at Publix, but they're delicious. We buy them almost every year.
Caramel apples, first day of fall. I'm ready for them.
I was trying to keep some kind of theme.
But we're having a great time. This fire's
go.
keeping me warm.
This is, we don't have it so bad.
No, we don't. I love our RV life.
It's dessert time.
Caramel apples.
I just sliced them up, but they're, like I said, they're just in the Publix. Sorry, we're trying to find light. There you go. Publix produce department, caramel apples. They also have candy apples, but I definitely prefer caramel. So, cheers to a wonderful first day of fall. Thank you all for hanging out with us. You didn't even cheers me, you just ate it. Cheers.
Oops. Cheers. They're pretty good. These Publix caramel apples are actually pretty good. The caramel's like nice and chewy on them.
Yeah, and they have nuts.
Yeah.
Gives it a little salty, so it's sweet and salty, and then the tartness of the apple. Like, I really enjoyed them.
Yeah.
We got them last year. I swear they were red apples last year, though. I don't know.
I don't
We're
remember.
gonna have to go look at that video to figure it out. But they also have candy apples, and I think for a 3-pack it was like $4.99 or $5.99. So it's not ridiculous if you don't want to go through all the steps of making caramel apples.
That would be fun.
Yeah, I think we should do it. Maybe for Halloween. Maybe we'll
Ooh.
do that. We are probably going to be in Florida for Halloween. So
Yeah.
I don't know what we'll do.
We'll have a bigger kitchen to work with, that's for sure.
Oh, that's true. Oh yeah, we're going to be staying at that. So yeah, that's like my kitchen, my dream kitchen.
Erin will cook you some.
I can make anything in that kitchen. Anything.
So you can make some real meals.
Yeah, it'll be weird.
Not in a tiny RV kitchen.
Yeah, just when I went to Florida, I stayed at a friend's house and I made her family dinner. And I got to use her kitchen. I was like, oh my God, I can use every appliance all at one time. It was like, I was like, this is easy. Now anywhere else I cook will be literally so easy. It's crazy.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today.
I'm freezing.
For the first day of fall, talking about our travel plans. Again, we're going to be in Florida. We're going down for a wedding and a few birthdays. And then we'll be back here in the Smokies.
For November, the fall leaves. I can't wait.
All the holiday things, all the Christmas lights everywhere. I'm so excited to see it. Hopefully we'll see some snow. Hopefully not a ton. You know, we don't want anybody to be miserable.
I'm excited for the dogs to see snow.
Oh my God. Oh, so cute. I'm excited. But we had a great night. We're so happy that fall is here. It's going to be really cool in the morning. It's going to, like we said before, it's going to be the 40s in the morning, so I'm excited. We're going to Dollywood tomorrow for the first day of the Harvest Festival there. So make sure to check that video out when that comes out. But we had a great day.
Yeah. Thanks for dinner.
Yeah, it was really, really good. It was really good.
All right, let's get inside and warm up.
Yes, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit your like button. Hit your notification bell so you'll be notified of all our future content. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. We really appreciate it. Best way to help the channel. And we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Have a good night.